Hi, my name's Amanda, and on today's how-to, we're going to be making ice pops since we are in the middle of a heat wave. So what better snack to have than ice pops? Let's get started. So today we're doing two different kinds of ice pops. We have a yogurt based with strawberries, and we have a juice based orange juice with blueberries. But the thing about ice pops is that you can mix and match. So if you want to do strawberries with the juice, blueberries with the yogurt, you can do whatever you'd like. First, we're using ice trays today. You can use any type of popsicle mold, but we want it to be fun and creative and use ice trays. And then obviously we have our sticks to go in them, so we just stick them in like that. And we have our strawberry yogurt as our base, and then strawberries put in. So to start off, we are going to just scoop some yogurt into a bowl. Stir it up a little if you need to. So just however much will fit in the molds. When using a knife, make sure that you're very careful because they are very sharp. Or if you are younger, you might need a parent or guardian to help you with the cutting. That's it for that. So since we're making the juice ice pops as well, we're going to put it off to the side and get ready for the next one. Okay, so now we're going to be doing our juice ice pops. So we're using orange juice, and we're using frozen blueberries, but you can use fresh blueberries if you prefer that. So here we come back to our ice tray. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to pour the juice in, and then you're going to put some blueberries in. So it's pretty simple. All right, try not to spill. Okay, so once we have all of our molds filled, now you want to cover it with plastic wrap. I already have mine pre-cut just to make it easier on my life. And you just want to layer it. So we're going to do 3 pieces just so that it keeps it all together, fresh, and it freezes nicely. So the last thing we're going to do is put it in the freezer for a couple hours. So I'm going to go do that. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you try it yourself because they look so yummy. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.